We got this package in the mail yesterday and I had no idea what this could be. But then when I opened it, I realized we had entered a contest to win pink Kraft macaroni and cheese. This is candy mac and cheese made specifically for Valentine's Day. And we were one of 1,000 winners. So let's see what we got here. Welcome to the sweetest and cheesiest Valentine's Day ever. Inside this box are exclusive Candy Kraft macaroni and cheese, a flavor boost that will turn your bowl of noodles into a sweet pink macaroni and cheesy treat. Share it over a romantic candlelit dinner or keep it for yourself. We won't judge. Whatever makes your Valentine's the sweetest Valentine's ever. XXOXO Kraft. Let's see how this does. So the ingredients say to prepare the box of mac and cheese according to directions, then add this packet of Mix Me candy flavor. So let's see how this works. All right, we've got the mac and cheese as it's supposed to be prepared, and we're adding the mix, the candy flavor, which has carrot and beetroot. I guess that's part of what makes it give the pink coloring. It's also got candy flavoring in it, which I'm not so sure about. So it's very pink, almost a purplish pink. Okay, let's stir it up and see what we got. It looks more red than it did on the package in the advertisements. So we'll see if it settles here and what it would look like, and then we'll be ready for a taste test. All right, Quinn's gonna be our first taste tester of this pink or red mac and cheese.
Yeah, here's the package. It looks pink on there, but it's red here.
All right.
I wonder how... This smells like candy. This more smells like mac and cheese, but I mean, it kind of has that scent since that's what made it red. All right.
Good or not good?
It just tastes like mac and cheese. Oh, maybe there's a little bit of an after flavor. It's pretty normal mac and cheese flavor, not gonna lie.
With a hint of candy?
Maybe. It's more, I think it's more the smell, honestly. And it's even then, it's kind of...
If they sold this, would you buy it?
Maybe just for Valentine's Day, but I mean, I'm all for themed foods, so yeah, probably just for the holiday. Otherwise, no.
All right, my taste test. Not sure about this. I like carrots. I don't like beets. I like candy.
It doesn't really taste...
Go, what's that?
It doesn't really taste like those. Like I said, it just tastes like mac and cheese.
Well, another thing to note, the package adds about 90 calories to the whole dish.
Oh.
So that's probably about a third. If you split it in thirds, that's 30 more calories from the candy. But yeah, if you didn't tell me, at first I wouldn't even have noticed it. I would just think if we did a blind taste test, I wouldn't know at first, but the flavor does come in. Yeah, it's not that big a difference. It's just kind of a subtle candy flavor. It's good. I'd buy it.